Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Carful. You're going to say, that's not a car. But it got wheels and it got a combustion motor of 15 horsepower. And on top of that, it makes a lot of noise. Aha, now I got your attention, eh? So keep watching and I hope you'll enjoy it. Stay tuned. First, we start to open the huge box that came on a pallet. The wheel was the first thing that practically came falling out when I opened it. The plastic was damaged, but there was no damage underneath that spot. The second wheel and the supporting foot for the machine were the next things I found. Then there is the side arm for the bigger branches up till 8 cm diameter to cut. The upper opening is for small branches up to 10 millimeters. This is the arm to drag the machine around. They placed a lot of things inside the machine, but they were hard to get out there. A huge black sack was packed very well, and it should serve for capturing the chips that are coming out at the bottom side of the machine. I got most of it out of the packet and I placed it on the garage floor. You see the axle, the wheels, the arm, a tow bar to tow the machine with a ride-on mower or something like that. Then there's the assembling part. I managed to put the really heavy machine on a wooden block. You should be with 2 persons to assemble it with ease. It is doable alone, but it is not easy for sure. I had to use some tricks to be able to screw the supporting foot underneath the heavy weight. This is the axle. The part where you have to screw the tow bar on was welded on a bit slantwise, but that's okay because I don't plan to use it anyways. I first screwed the wheels on the axle and then I managed to screw the axle on the machine. Ready so far. It stands on its own, on the wheels, on the foot. Now it's time to put some motor oil in it, and it's best to put it with the right amount. I managed to get it outside now. After assembling the side arm, all the screws needed to be turned until they were secure. I noticed a little bit damage on the paint, nothing serious though. It started right up and spinned like it should. The first time working with it, it did what it was supposed to do, and it did it with the necessary noise. It devoured all the branches and reed with ease, as you can see. I think it's worth the money and definitely is a good machine to work with. So it's a wrap for this episode. I hope you all liked it as much as I did making this video. We planned for a lot of new content, so turn on your post notifications and like and subscribe below if you want to support this new channel. It's only with your support that we can plan on these new videos, and with your support we can do a lot of new content in the future. So thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you very soon.